Health Minister Ampreen Lyngdoh has informed that the department will be holding interviews for appointment of mid-level health providers, MLHPs, in Tura, West Garo Hills district on September 12th. Speaking to reporters, Lyngdoh said that the decision was taken to ensure adequate opportunity is given to all. The minister earlier held a meeting with a joint delegation of FKJGP, GSU, ADE from Garo Hills, who have questioned the failure of the government to advertise the MLHP posts in the region.
The department has engaged again and brought out an advertisement that will encompass and give opportunity to individuals who likely pass out of these two institutions. And this interview will be held in Tura on the 12th of September. We should give adequate opportunity to all. Though we know that in the state of Meghalaya, only two institutions, recognized institutions, run this program. So, like is done in several other recruitments, the Department of Health thought it would be best to do a campus recruitment here.
The director